Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will show you how to create Firefox profile and after that how to run Selenium automation test using that Firefox profile. Then first question comes in, what is Firefox profile? I set it up topics this way. So basically Firefox profile is all of the changes user make in Firefox, like the home page, what toolbar you use, installed add-ons, saved password and your bookmarks are all stored in a special folder called a profile, which is Firefox profile. So first we need to create a Firefox profile, then we will create the Selenium script and that script will run using that Firefox profile. In order to create a Firefox profile, we need to from the keyboard you need to press Windows plus R button together, then Windows plus R, then you need to type over here firefox.exe space -p, then click OK. Here is the Firefox profile. You can create profile, you can rename profile, or also you can delete profile. Here is only default profile we have. So let me create a new profile, click create profile. Then you need to follow the pop-up, click next. Then you need to enter your name over here. My profile name is TestSoft USA. You can use default folder or you can choose different folder by clicking choose folder. So I am going to the default folder, then click finish. You see TestSoft USA, it is profile is created. Then start Firefox with that profile. So Firefox will open. Let me maximize. In order to identify this Firefox profile, we will add one extension over here. So let's say Firefox extension, add-ons and themes. Let me type over here add block. So add blocker, click over here, add guard and add to Firefox. The reason I am doing this one, when we will run our test and Firefox browser will open, we need to see that add blocker is there too. You see over here add blocker already added. So at the time of Selenium test run, we need to verify this add blocker is there or not. So that is the reason we added this one. And also we can verify another thing, the default browser. So if we click default browser, start Firefox, and here is no ad blocker. That is the reason we added ad blocker over there. Now we need to create our script. In order to create a script, we need to open Eclipse. Here already my project package already created. Those who are new in Selenium as well as Eclipse 2, I have a separate video for that setup. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So select the package, then right click, then new, create JUnit test case. You need to enter your test case name over here, test Firefox Pro. Any name you can provide over here for understanding purpose. Test Firefox Pro I am putting there, then click finish. Once it is in here, you need to write your test case over here. First thing we need to do, Firefox use the Gecko driver. We need to do the system.set properties for that Gecko driver. So system.set property, you see the key value pair. Key is the WebDriver dot gecko dot driver. Value is the Gecko driver path where a Gecko driver is located. I saved this path in my Word file. Let me copy from there. Copy and paste it over here. Then we need to write some script for our profile purpose. So profiles ini equal to profile equal to new profiles ini. So you see red mark, mouse over, basically you need to import the package, then red mark will be gone. So then we need to do Firefox Profile, my profile equal to profile dot get profile. Here you need to mention your profile name. Basically, if you remember, we created a profile with the name TestSoft USA. We need to put that thing over here. We'll use TestSoft USA profile. You see Firefox profile is the red mark, mouse over. You need to import that Firefox profile. So red mark will be gone. So second part is done. Now we need to do Firefox options. So Firefox options, fx options equal to new Firefox options. So again there is a red mark, mouse over and import the specific package, then red mark will be gone. Thereafter fx options dot set profile it will be my profile because we set it up in before. So this my profile is connecting this one. This is done. Now we need to do web driver equal to new Firefox driver, and you need to pass that fx options over here. So Firefox and WebDriver is a red mark, mouse over, import that. Now you need to maximize the browser, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize in order to see the application clearly. Thereafter we need to do driver dot get, basically which application we are opening with that. So let me copy the application URL from here, demoqa.com, copy that and paste it over here. Now you need to allow sometimes to load the application, and also we will verify that ad blocker is there, whatever extension we added in TestSoft USA. So that's the reason thread.sleep. Let me do 10,000 millisecond, which is 10 seconds. Here is also red mark, mouse over, add throws declaration, red mark will be gone. Now we can quit the application, driver dot quit. You see, if anytime you need to open a specific profile browser, then you need to follow this step. Thereafter only you can do that, otherwise it will take the default profile and it will run your test. It depends on your requirement. If it is needed the specific profile, then you can do the test like this way. So save it and right click, run as JUnit test, as it is JUnit test. So let's see how it goes. So Firefox browser open, you see top right corner there is a ad blocker. It is navigating demoqa.com. It will wait 10 seconds. You see the ad blocker top right side over here. That means exactly whatever profile you created TestSoft USA, test run with that profile. So it is perfectly correct. So in this way you can create your software Selenium test script for a specific profile purpose. Only couple of lines you need to add over here and import the specific package profiles related that will work for your profile run. I think those who are new in Selenium automation testing as well as Firefox profile, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.